Fucking ass! Oh! Here. Oh. What the fuck is that?
Alright, well, I snuck into my girlfriend's apartment, waiting for her and her sister to come back home from work. It's about 5:30 now. So once they get back here, I'm going to be wearing this mask, and I'm going to be carrying their TV and their laptop in my hand, acting like I'm robbing the place. So we'll see how it goes.
شو قال له هذا؟ أنا مني جاك النور.
It's only me. Cammy. Cammy. Hey.
Oh shit!
What are you fucking
She ate the sausage!
What are you doing to me?
The dogs eat the sausage! What happened?
What do you do? Are you fucking crazy sometimes?
Not
I'm
crazy.
filming this too.
Yeah, you put a sausage.
Joey,
It's not a sausage. You put Sylvester
retard.
Stallone in your
Stick a
mouth.
sausage up your ass. How do you like it?
Were you crying?
That's terrible.
You crying?
Oh, you're so
Hey, fools.
What are you fucking...
You got tripwires shit now?
Watch over that.
You guys are fucked, man. I'm fucking hate coming to this place. Oh, you're recording that shit. Oh! Don't take it off. Oh shit!
His eyes
The camera set up too, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yo. Why is my...
Oh, god dang it. Mom, I just totally stepped in poo. God damn it, where? No. Where? Yeah! God damn it, Robbie! April Fool! These are ones that, wait, they go, no.
I've been chilly and sweaty today, on and off.
What was that? Ah! 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 What's it doing? I don't understand.
Mommy still. What?